Dear students, in 13th episode, consider other problems of exercise 5.3. Then the 8th question is sum of first n terms, sum, not the n term. Sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. Find the first, second, third, tenth, and nth terms. That means Sn is given. That is the answer. Is equal to what? 4n minus n square. A1 is equal to A. That is S1 is the sum of one term. That is B. S2 is the sum of two terms. That is A1 plus A2. S3 is the sum of three terms. That is A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on. Therefore, n is equal to 1. Therefore, S1 is equal to 4 into 1, 4. Minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 3. Which implies that A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. That is sum of one term. Then n is equal to 2. That is S2 is equal to 4 into 2, 8. Minus 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. It is 4. 4 into 8, 2 square is 4. That is S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. Clear? That means what is S2? 4. What is A1? 3 plus A1, A2. Therefore, what is A2? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Clear? Therefore, first term is 3, second term is A2. Therefore, D is equal to A2 minus A1. Is equal to what is A2? 1 minus A1. What is A1? 3 is equal to minus. Okay. That means sum of n terms, n is replaced by 1, it is sum of one term, that is first term. n is equal to S2 is A1 plus A2. Therefore, A2 is equal to S2 minus A1. We get it. A1 and A2 are given, D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is nice. Then, first, second, third, and tenth term of this equation. Number 8. First term A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. Second term A2 is equal to 1. D is equal to what? Minus. That is 3 minus 2 1. Then what is A3? A2 plus D is equal to 2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Then A4 is equal to what? A3 plus B is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Then 10th term A10 is equal to A plus 9D. What is A? It is 3 plus 9 into D. D is what? Minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 18 is equal to minus 2. Clear? Then we can find out the nth term. Therefore, A is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A. That is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 and open the brackets. Minus and minus plus. is 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n. We know that the coefficient of n is minus 2, therefore d is minus 2. By direct inspection, when nth term is given, direct inspection, the coefficient of n is always common difference d, that is minus 2, therefore d is minus 2. That's the answer. Clear? Then the next question, that is ninth question. Find sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Integers are 0, 1, minus or 2, minus 2, etc. The positive integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, the first divisible by 6 means first number is 6. Therefore, AP is 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 18, etc. That are the multiple of divisible by 6, that is 6 by 6 once, 12 by 6 is 2, 18 by 6 is 3, etc. Therefore, that is the answer. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. First 40 positive integers. Therefore, n is equal to 40. Therefore, Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into A and D are given. 2A plus n minus D is the equation. Therefore, S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 6, that is 12 plus n minus 1 into n minus 6 40, that is 39 into 6. That is equal to 40 by 2, 30 into 12 plus 39 into 6. Is equal to 20 into 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 2, 46. That is equal to 0. 6 2s are 12, remain 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4. That is 4, 9, 2, 0. That is the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Then question number 10. Find sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Listen. First odd number, that is A, that is the answer, is equal to 1. Then second odd number 3, that is 1, 3, 5, etc. This one is the AP. D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That means difference between two consecutive odd integers or even integers is equal to 2. Then 49 is the last one between. Therefore, not 50. That is 49. So A is equal to 49. Then n is equal to what? An minus A by D plus 1. That is equal to An 49 minus A by D. What is D? 2 plus 1 is equal to 48 by 2 plus 1. 48 by 2 is 24 plus 1 is equal to 24. That means from 0 to 50 or 1 to 50, there are 25 odd numbers and also 25 even numbers. Therefore, sum A plus A. That is S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into A. What is A? It is 1. What is A? It is 49. Is equal to 25 by 2 into 50. Cancels. 25 into 25. What is it? 620. That is the answer. Then 11th question. This question is not in the textbook or not in the board question, but sometimes this type of questions are also asked for examination. The question is find sum of numbers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7, remainder is 2. That is the question. That means any number is divisible by 7, the remainder is 2. That means 9 is divisible by 7, we get 1 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Therefore 9 is the first number. Then 14 divisible by 7, 14 plus 2, that is 16. That is the second number. Okay? Therefore, first number not 50, it is 51 between 51 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder is 2. Therefore, the first number is not 49, 50, 49 or 50. The first number is 51 because that 51 is divisible by 7, the remainder is 2. Therefore, A is equal to what? 51. Then 500, that is 499 is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9. 7 is 7. Remainder is 2. Therefore, what is the last number? 499 is the last number. D. That is the common factor. That means for each numbers, it is divisible by 7. The remainder is 2. Therefore, number of terms is equal to what is last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. Is equal to last term 499 minus first term 51 by common difference 7 plus 1. That is equal to 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 5 4. Then 4 by 7 plus 1. That is equal to 7 6 are 42, 28. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 is equal to 65. There are 65 numbers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. The remainders are 2. Therefore, what is Sn? N by 2 into first term plus last term. That is S 65 is equal to 65 by 2 into A, that is 51. A, that is 499. That is equal to 60 by 5 by 2 into 9 plus 1, 10, remain 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 50, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2, that is equal to 65 into 2 2s are 4, 50. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are. That is 2, 7, 5 into 65. 5. Whether true, system. That is equal to 17875. That is the sum of the terms between 50 and 500, which are divisible by the remainder is 2. Then all the problems of that exercise be done. Other questions for your homework. Then more questions, that questions from the board questions. But more questions, that is next one. More questions. The first one, it is a general question. That is m times m. It is general question. That means using this general question we can construct several questions. M times m the tape of an AP is equal to n times n the tape. Find m plus n the tape. Or prove that m plus n the tape is 0. That is the question. So sometimes you find the m plus n the tape or prove that. Prove that means we can prove that as 0. Okay, this is a general question. That is board question, and we know that the mth tape, m times means m into mth tape is am is equal to n times. That is the answer. N times m. What is the mth tape? M into a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n into a plus m is replaced by n. Okay. Then open the bracket. Ma plus m into m minus 1 d is equal to na plus n into open the bracket n into minus 1 d. Clear? That a shifting to the left and d shifting to the right. Therefore, ma minus na is equal to n into n minus 1 d minus of m into m minus 1 d. A take as common, that is m minus n into a. Open the brackets, n square minus n minus n square minus into minus plus n into d. We take d as common and open the bracket also. Clear? That is m minus n into a is equal to m minus n plus. From these two, we take minus as common. Therefore, minus n means minus is replaced by minus is common. Therefore, minus n square is n square. N square is minus n square into d. Clear? That is m minus n into a is equal to m minus n Okay, minus. This is of the form a square minus b square. That is a minus b into a plus b into d. Then in this case m minus n is a factor, m minus n is also a factor. Therefore take m minus n as common. That is m minus n into a is equal to m minus n into. This one is replaced by 1 minus, this one is replaced by m plus into d. M minus n and m minus n cancels. This is the general problem and also general equation. A is equal to, take the minus 1 as common, that is minus 1. Therefore this is positive, this is negative. That is an equation. Then we can find out the m plus 1 the tail. That is a m plus 1 is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what is a? Minus 1. Okay, cancels these two, we get 0. Therefore, m plus n the tail is 0. That's the answer. Then this is the general question, and also there is another question based on this general question. That is second question. That is question number 2. 7 times 7th tail of an 80 is equal to 11 times 11th tail. Prove that. What is 7 plus 11? 18. 18th tail is 0. Similarly, 5th term of 5 times of the 5th term of a b is equal to 6 times 6th tail. Then what is 5 plus 6? 11. Therefore, 11 to 7 is always 0. 8 times of 8th tail is equal to 9 times of 9th tail. Then 8 plus 9, that is 17th tail is 0. What is the general question? That means 7 a7 is equal to 11 a. That is 7 into a plus 6d. Okay, is equal to 11 into a plus 10d. Open the bracket. That is 7a plus 6 another 42d is equal to 11a plus 110d. Shifting a to the left, that is 7a minus 11a is equal to 110d minus 42d. 7a minus 11a, that is minus 4a is equal to there is 68d. Therefore, a is equal to minus 68d by 4 is equal to minus 1 time 17. Clear? That is a is equal to minus 17. Therefore, 18th tail, a18 is equal to a plus 17d is equal to what is a? Minus 17d plus 17d is equal to what? 0. Therefore, this is the answer. That means, using that general problem, we can construct any type of problems such that the sum of the surface is equal to the term into the sum of the surface is 0. Clear? Then question number 3. That is next question. Then question number 3. Find the sum of 10 pairs of RAP x minus 8 comma x minus 2 comma x plus 4 etc. Okay, that is a is equal to x minus 8, b is equal to x minus 2 minus of x minus 8 for negative take bracket, that is equal to x minus 2 minus x plus 8. X is cancels, that is 8 minus 2, that is 6. That is not a difference. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. That is the answer. Then how many times? 10 times. That is 10 times n is equal to 10. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to, that is x 10 is equal to 10 by 2 into, what is a? X minus 8, that is 2 into x minus 8 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into d, 6. That is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5 into 2x minus 60 plus 54. That is 54 minus 60. That is equal to 5 into 2x plus 3h. That is equal to 5 into 2, 10x plus 19. That is the sum of first 10 pairs. Clear? Then question number 4. Question number 4. That is an important question. Sum of 3 numbers in AP is 36. Find the middle term. This is also another important question. Yes, sir. 3, 7, 11. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. These are in AP. What is D? 7 minus 3 is 4. Then this 3 is 7 minus 4. Then 11 is 7 plus 4. That is second term minus common difference of first term. Second term plus common difference of third term. That is second term is the middle term. Therefore, answer is first term. That is A1 is equal to A minus B. A2 is equal to A. A3 is equal to A plus B. We take as in this type of problems, let us consider the second term is A. First term is A minus B. Third term is A plus B. A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to 36. That is given. That means A minus B plus A plus B is equal to 36. Plus 2, 3 and minus 3 cancels. A plus A plus A, that is 3A is equal to 36. Therefore, A is equal to 36 by 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, middle take is 12. That is the answer for that question. Then question number 5. Question number 5. Find fourth term from the end of 18 minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 etc. 49. There is a same questions in the exercise from the end of that exercise from the end 20th day. That is the question. But in this case, fourth question. Therefore, answer is A is equal to minus 11, B is equal to minus 8 minus minus 11 is equal to minus 8 plus 11 is equal to 3. That is an increasing sequence. Then last term n is equal to 49. Then we can find out the number of terms. N is equal to n minus a by d plus 1 is equal to 49 minus minus 11 by d 3 अधिकम 1. That's it. 49 plus 49 plus 1 50. 50 plus 10 60. 60 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 60 by 3. 20 plus 1 is equal to 10. That is how many terms? 21 terms. That is 21, 20, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 18th term. That is 21 minus 4. That is 70. Plus 1. That is 80. Therefore, A18 is equal to A plus 17B is equal to A. What is A? Minus 11 plus 17 into D 3 is equal to minus 11 plus 51. 51 minus 11 that is equal to 40. Therefore, the fourth term from the last is 18th term, it is 4. Then sixth question, question number 6. Find next term of an 18, root 3, root 12, root 27, etc. Find the next term. Answer is, what is the first term? Root 3. They are rational numbers, not rational. A is equal to root 3. D is equal to root 12 minus root 3. What is root 12? Root of 4 into 3. What is root of 2 root 3? Therefore, it is 2 root 3 minus root 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is root 3. That is the common difference. Then, first is 10, second 10. Third term, fourth term. A4, that is finally next term. That is A4 is equal to A3 plus B What is A3? Root 27 plus B. What is it? Root. Then what is root 27? Root of 9 into 3. What is it? 3 root 3. Therefore, that is equal to 3 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 4 root 3. That is the next thing. 4 root 3 is equal to root of 4 square of 4 is 16 into 3. That is 4 root 3. 16 into 3. That is the root of 4. That is the next step. That is root 48 is the next step. Okay. Then question number 7. Question number 7. A plus 1, comma 2A plus 1, comma 4A minus 1 are in AP. Find the A. That is the seventh question. Listen, there are 3 terms. There that means first plus last by 2 is equal to second. That means A, B, C are in AP. We know that is arithmetic mean. B is equal to A plus C by 2 or A plus C is equal to 2B. Therefore, this is A, this is B, this is C. Which answer, which implies that A plus 1 plus 4A minus 1 is equal to 2 into B. 1 and 1 cancel. 4A plus 8 is 5A is equal to 4A plus 2 into 1 is 2. That is 5A minus 4A is equal to 2. That is A is equal to 2. That is the question. The next question is then the 8th question is nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n plus 1. Find the sum of first 10 terms. Nth term is given that A is equal to 2n plus 1. We know that n is 1, we get the first term, n is 2, we get the second term, n is 3, we get the third term. Therefore, n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to A is equal to 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? Then n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. That is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, AP is 3, 5, 7, etc. Find the sum of first 8 terms. Then A is equal to, what is it? 3. What is D? D is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to what? 2. N is equal to what? 10. Therefore, sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into B. That is equal to, that is S 10. Is equal to 10 by 2 into, what is A? 3. 2A 6 plus 10 minus 1 9 into D 2. 10 by 2 is equal to what? 5 into 6 plus 18 is equal to 5 into 6 plus 18, 24. That is equal to what? 120. That is the sum of first two terms. Therefore, there is some other questions, that is board questions, we can discuss in the next episode. Okay.